For many people with blood cancer or other blood disorders, a transplant is their only chance to survive. I'm Simona Dubas. I'm nearly 32 and I'm originally from Poland. I have a husband, Oscar, and an 8-year-old son, Frank. When I heard the news about my diagnosis, I think I didn't comprehend the seriousness of the situation at first. I was worried more about the practical side of me being in a hospital. For example, who's going to look after my son when my husband is at work. Because when I was diagnosed, our son was only 4, and up to that point we'd been inseparable. He had to distance himself from me. Thankfully, my husband did a fantastic job at keeping Frank's life as normal as possible. I had 3 rounds of intensive chemotherapy. I wasn't aware of the problems my doctors had with finding the suitable match. About a month before the transplant, they told me about the donor. I was unbelievably grateful and I think overwhelmed by this selfless gesture. To anybody that is considering becoming a bone marrow donor, I'd say that it's a truly noble thing to do. For many people with blood cancer or other blood disorders, a transplant is their only chance to survive. Think how proud you'd be if you saved somebody's life. Please consider signing up for the Welsh Bone Marrow Donor Registry. Order your swab kit online, or you can register as you donate blood.